Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make McDonald's Sriracha mac sauce. Hit it! Alright, well thanks so much for joining us today. If this is your first time though, do me a favor, go down to the corner, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, like I said, we're going to be making McDonald's Sriracha mac sauce. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We got a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of French dressing, 1 teaspoon of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of relish, a 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of dehydrated minced onion, 1/8 teaspoon of mustard, a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of Sriracha sauce. So let's go ahead and start mixing this up. Alright, like we always do, make sure you got a big enough bowl for all your ingredients, and we're just going to start putting them in the bowl. Mayonnaise, French dressing, ketchup. All these will be in the description box below so you get the right measurements. I got dill relish, not sweet. You can try it with dill. There's your sugar. I've got the vinegar. I've got the dehydrated onion, but this will give it time and it will rehydrate into this mixture because we do have liquid in there by the way of our lemon juice and our vinegar. Speaking of lemon juice, there it goes. And last but not least, the Sriracha. And you want more heat, you can definitely add more Sriracha. I'm just going to go ahead and get this all blended up, and we'll come back with some awesome pictures and some groovy music, and we'll come back and we'll taste this. Taste test here. Got our sauce. Got one of these chicken nuggets. These are not McDonald's chicken nuggets, just in case you want to know. The sauce looks really good. You can taste that French dressing. That Sriracha in there, it's got that bite. A little bit of the mustard and the vinegar. It tastes like Big Mac special sauce with a little bit of heat. Spread it on a burger. Dip your chicken or your French fries in it. It's really, really good. Make a batch, keep it in your fridge. It's really good. Comes in handy when you're looking for that little bit of sauce with some heat to it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Bye-bye.